hard water? Soft water? Isn't all water the same? Hardly. What is hardness in water? Hardness in water can indicate high concentrations of dissolved calcium, magnesium, and other undissolved minerals, and large amounts of these minerals in your household water can cause problems. Depending on where it's sourced, some homes may have harder water than others. A hard water test can help identify whether it's an issue in your home, but there are other signs to look out for too, like a filmy residue on your hair after a shower, or skin that feels sticky or dry, soap scum or buildup on your dishes, shower doors, drains, and fixtures, red or brown stains around water-using appliances like your toilet bowl, a metallic taste or rotten egg smell in your water, and scratchy clothes and towels. But what causes hardness of water, scale, and more? Tap water usually originates from a natural source, such as a river, lake, or the ground. From there, it's directed to a treatment center. But any water flowing can collect contaminants, particulates, and sediment along the way. Limestone, iron, dissolved minerals, and sediment found in soil can also contribute. And the treatment center doesn't account for everything. Even well water often has silt, dirt, and clay, which can create hardness in water. While municipal water systems help, the water then travels through aging infrastructure and lead pipes, where it can pick up sediments and contaminants if not treated correctly. But don't worry, there's a fix. First, Culligan Water can help identify whether you have hardness in your water with a hard water test, and then offer custom recommendations to fix it. Culligan's water softening solutions help reduce minerals that make your water hard. And with a wide variety of options, it's easy to find one that fits your household, budget, and needs. Ready to tap into softer, cleaner, better tasting water? Learn more on Culligan.com today.